Hi, I'm Tammy. Today I'm going to make an Italian Greyhound. So I've already squeezed one grapefruit. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the shaker that's full of ice. Then we're going to use about 2 ounces of vodka, whatever kind you like. I just happen to like Deep Eddy. And then just a splash of Campari. Campari is kind of a bitter taste, so I don't want a whole lot of that. I lost the top to my little shaker, so do it this way. Okay. Shake it up. Give it a good shake. All right. Presto. Back on. And we're going to drain it into the glass. I went ahead and I took ice and I smashed it up. And you can just put it in a bag and take a meat, meat tenderizer, and just hit it and it'll smash up your ice. So you get this pretty ice. And then I have it garnished with basil and raspberries and blackberries. I'm going to try it. Oh, it's super good. This is a winter drink and it's wonderful. So, thanks for watching another video. Hope you subscribe.